What are the roles and the responsibilities of the executor? Well, the key role and responsibility is that they follow the terms of the will. That sounds easy, right? Give the assets to whomever is supposed to receive them. But there is far more involved than that. An executor is somebody who is appointed by the court because the court said that they are appropriate to serve, usually because the will said, I want this person to serve as my executor by the testator, and so they're appointed. Then what they need to do is there are a lot of notices that need to be given. Notices to beneficiaries under the will, notices to heirs at law who might not even be receiving under the will, notices to state agencies, notices to creditors. The reason for notice to creditors is to make sure that the assets will be what should be divvied up and given to those who are supposed to receive them. You don't want a creditor to come back in 18 months later after the assets have been distributed and say, oh no, I'm owed money. The reason that you give notice to creditors is to get rid of and resolve any creditor's claims. The executor has a duty to inventory the assets to figure out what they're worth. The executor has a duty to make sure that the person who died, we call them the decedent, that their last tax return is filed if it needs to be filed, their individual tax return, and that if there is an estate tax return due, that is also filed, and that any tax liabilities are paid. So the role of the executor is really one with great responsibility. That is the reason that typically the executor will seek out the services of an attorney to help them.